Was that a joint hanging from her mouth? I think it was. Cause she looked like a girl that pulled up on us in Kelly Canyon, but she wasn't a Jeep girl.
Dang, we ran out of mountains.
Yeah, we did. I ain't got a clue where the hell we're at though. So I can't see. Oh wait, there's Dome Rock right there. Okay. Yeah, I thought Dome Rock was over there. No, because there's Indian Head Mountain. Yeah, so Dome Rock.
So that must be our long-term visitors area.
I believe so, yeah.
We're back to the rock house.
Oh yeah, we're back at the. Or is it, no, this is a different one.
Is it?
Yeah, this one's got a fence in front of it. Keep out, this one says.
Yeah.
I don't know why it says keep out.
I don't know. This one's a nicer shape. They don't want someone moving in.
Yeah. It's outlined with quartz too. But it's got kind of a modern foundation, concrete at least. The other one doesn't have that, it's all rock. We took honey through washes like that.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, over Plymouth Road in Scad Wash.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it looks like we're not done. Now, I wonder if this is highway or if it's just a road coming into the...
Dome Rock Mountain 14-day. Oh, I didn't know how to sign.
So, this must be another freight area.
Yeah, this is Dome Rock.
Okay.
This is where the
ATR, was it?
no, that thing JT came over to.
Oh, okay.
Boondockers Bash. It's a little chilly over here on this side of the desert.